Your Lordships, we have filed one petition for IA for modification of earlier order. But the issue is, Your Lordship, on the last occasion, OP Council, because he suffered a bereavement in the family, the matter was posted. No, we want an early hearing of the matter, Your Lordship. It has already been posted on 19th of March. If it can be...
The application will be listed, early hearing application. Only early. Yes. Give all memos.
Yes, conviction.
Okay, give all memos. Appeal.
Appeal, my lord. Yes.
Tuesday.
Lordships, pardon to mention one criminal revision.
Yes.
Lordships, pardon to mention one criminal revision number 826 and 827 of 2018. It's a chit fund matter, Your Lordships. And Your Lordships have directed this matter to be listed on 11 July 2022. Since last 2 years, it has not been listed, Your Lordships. And it is at the
What
stage
is
of
the urgency?
Your Lordship, they have challenged the discharge application. Now, all the applications in the chit fund case of this case has been disposed of. Only these are pending, Your Lordships, and they are lingering it since last 6 years.
Okay, give the memo.
Mention, Mr. Naik is there. Item 40. I'm told it won't be taken up today. The matter is fixed to 10. I only seek an interim protection till the next day. It is fixed for fixation of trials.
Let him move application.
Yes.
Let him move. Yes.
And this matter, Your Lordship, this matter may be listed after 20th, subject to sir's convenience.
I list it after 20th. Meantime, let him move an application for seeking adjournment. That application moves. Yes.
Yes.
He move an application. Yes. 40. Item 40. That is item 40.
Item 40.
Yes.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Appearance of both. Yes. Yes, Mr. Naik, can you give the memo for these two matters?
Yes, Your Lordship, I'll give the memo.
Okay. Both the matters has to be listed after 20th.
Yes, Your Lordships, after 20th.
Okay, after 20th, whatever memo he gives. Yes. Yes.
And you mentioned for item number 1 to 8.
Item 4, my lord, next week. Item 4, next week.
Next week, okay, adjourn.
My lord, item number 8 on behalf of Hon'Ble Sankar Mishra. You know, praying for an adjournment can be taken up 2 weeks after, my lord.
Yes.
His grandmother.
Yes.
Obligation. 8, item 8.
Yes.
Obligation. 18. Item 19 to 27.
Serial number 26, Your Lordship. This is a hospital factor matter which is still pending in Supreme Court, Your Lordship. The OPID matter, the application of OPID in.
Okay. Simply adjourn.
Your Lordship.
Enter.
Your Lordship, greetings, Your Lordship. Item number 24 on behalf of petitioner and my senior learned counsel is not able to present today, so grant an adjournment. Item number 24.
These are the hearing matter. Not this, 2011 matter. Okay. Interim order is continuing. Give a short date. Okay.
Obliged.
On the request of the council. Yes.
Item 21, my lord.
Yes.
Item not withdraw. Item 21, my lord. Withdraw memo is not pressed. I'll press the matter. Withdraw memo may kindly be not pressed.
Withdraw memo you have given today morning.
No, my lord. It was filed one for Abhinav Samal. My clerk has filed by mistake on Abhinav.
By mistake.
Withdraw memo not pressed. I'll press the matter.
Withdraw memo problem. Yes. Withdrawal memo filed by a learned counsel or the petitioner seeks to withdraw and wants to hearing on the application. Yes.
Item 28 to 34.
Item 28.
31.
Item 28. I am for the informant. I have already talked to my non-senior. They have given a copy of high. Let it come 2 weeks after. Interim order is in their favor. Let it continue.
Okay. Mr. Mishra, learned counsel for the opposite party seeks an amendment to file counter. To the petition.
My lord, item.
Interim also continue. Yes.
Item 31.
Yes. Okay. Request of Mr. Dal.
Item 31. Your Lordship, item 31.
Yes.
Next week. Fresh matter next week.
Fresh matter on the request of learned counsel for the petition. Yes.
35 to 43.
My friend is appearing to the opposite part, my lord. Already entry order there, my lord.
No.
After if I to manage that, no, my lord. The lordship said equal pillar entry order, that will control.
Hey, let us see whether entry model is there or not.
If approved application file, that will be considered. Same order.
That is there. That is there. 12/12/2024 there is not. Yes. On the joint application for the parties, this is also entry model dated 12/12/2024 shall continue. Yes.
41, your lordship, 41.
41.
My lord, not today, any other day. Entry model.
It will be argued. This is to be argued.
Yes. Okay.
Item
41.
43.
My lord, entry model to continue, in item 41.
We have corrected the copy of
43.
43, both the item.
Both the items.
Both.
My lord, item
We have
41.
corrected the amount. Mr. Khan,
You changed everything.
yes, Mr. Khan is here. Yes. We both have corrected everything.
7 lakhs 80,000.
80,000 one, 7 lakhs 90,000.
That was 42. लिखी थी इसको तो।
Item number 37. Item number 37.
37.
Yes, my lords.
Okay.
There is a connected matter that may be taken up, my lords, together. That is CRLMC number 1101 of 24.
लिखी थी। 110.
And my lords, there is an interim, my lords, order that may be continued.
Appearing for the opposite party, my lord. In fact,
In the same matter,
same
37.
matter, 37. In fact, two connected matters are there. My learned friend stated CRLM's number 1101 of 2024, and the second is 1222 of 2019.
Okay,
my lord.
the councils appearing for both the parties conjointly submit that of the other two connected matter being number
I have given.
may be listed, may be heard along with the present matter. Lease the matter. Yes.
Interim order to continue, my lords.
40. Like a 40.
40.
40. My lord, so mentioned that stating date in the first week of March. So
Give a date. Yes. Yes.
Item 42.
42.
It's not a date for hearing, man.
It needs to be heard.
Yes.
Okay. 42 day example on the request. Yes. 43 over. Yes.
45.
45.
Yes, last item.
Yes.
In this case, both the appellants died. So I filed a memo.
45 three appeals are there. In the last appeal 579, two appellants were there. Both the appellants are died. And
That's what he says. That's what he says. In all the three appeals, all the appellants have died.
No,
No. Last.
there are three appeals in first.
Let us go one by one. 628. That is Nigamananda Panda.
Vishnu Pradhan is appearing. My Lord and friend.
Okay.
Second one, my Lord and friend is appearing. He has filed the.
Korunakar Panda is there.
Yeah.
Okay.
In the last one, two appellants were there.
Ashwini,
And
Ashwini and Sasanka Sekhar Patnaik.
both of them died.
Both of them have died
Right.
as per his memo.
Okay, right.
So I will seek for the instruction from our authority.
What is I'll take statement.
It will be abated. So,
Awaited, I have said on information I awaited. Otherwise, you move an application for await.
No. I will just seek for instruction regarding the correctness.
Third.
Otherwise, it will be abated.
Criminal appeal number 579 of Mr. Dhananjay moved the counsel for the appellant. In the matter submits that both the appellant in the present case have expired. And he has received a WhatsApp message on 4/2/2025 regarding the same. In view of the aforementioned, the appeal stands awaited. Yes. Stands awaited. Leave the other two matters.
Appeal abated. And both the matters may be listed for your any date, your lordship.
already, we have already filed internal from the
Okay. Weekly रखते हो टॉप पर ठीक है हाँ
These two appeals will be had. Any
Yes.
date may be fixed.
next week.
can give it date. Yes.
Item 44. 44 में kindly taken up on 19th, my lord. Yesterday, two other cases against same insurance company, fixed to 19th. For insurance company,
Okay,
final.
connected matters are listed on 19th, hence lease the matter on 17th. 44, yes. Yes.
Item one.
I don't know, it's an item number 1, my lord. Can you be taken next week, my lord?
On request agent, yes.
Item two.
Taking time item 1. He is making an allegation against the PO and the standing counsel by from the trial court, my lord.
Because of the case has been delayed for so many years.
Let us see, let us see. Yes. Two.
Yes, sir.
Item one.
No, two, my lord.
No, I am talking about item one.
Yes. Where for,
So see the
NBW?
there is a kind countable page 5. my lord. Page 5, paragraph 4 and 5. my lord. He making allegations against the judge for whose the trial is being
Yes.
delayed.
Page.
Page 5, 4 and 5. my lord.
yes, fine.
Para four. Yes. $22 years.
Yes, my lord.
That is not his allegation. His allegation
Allegation.
is,
Okay, okay.
his allegation is that he is the informant matter. This sword is in the head of the accused persons. They are not come. Informant has filed this petition stating that the lingering for 22 years.
And how are you making allegation against the trial judge as well as the prosecutor on the what basis? Where is the proceeding?
My lord, can we pass over? My senior is arguing matter.
How can you make allegation like this? PP is the
My lord, the petition is defective, my lord. I know, my lord, because it is
better you withdraw. Otherwise, I have to say something.
Only, my lord, I pray, my lord, you will accept target, my lord.
I will not do that. See, unless you withdraw
My lord, I have seen,
comment against a judicial officer,
my lord, it is.
I am not going to be.
My lord, sorry, my lord. It is
Withdraw it.
My lord.
Withdraw it. Otherwise, forget about relief.
Yes, my
The
lord.
Court of Sessions.
How
How can you make allegation against PP, judge, and everybody?
My lord, what
Withdraw. Better withdraw. Better you withdraw it and file proper petition. Don't make this allegation. Yes, you do that. Yes. Let me counsel for the petition seeks to withdraw the petition to file a better one. Everybody is your enemy. The judge is enemy, PP is enemy, everybody is enemy.
I have not on the scene, my lord. If you file the application, thereafter, my lord.
Small story, my lord. 20 years back or 25 years back.
And the stories which you say, everybody is benefited because the large experience you have, everyone should know it.
Many senior lawyers told me that you go to Mr. Sibo, Sibo, and tell about a particular judge. So I was like an idiot. I went and told him. He told me, if we don't preserve our institution, who will preserve?
Exactly.
Right. Exactly the same. Yes. Exactly. Because we are being respected because the institution is there.
Yes, sir.
We, while making a statement against any
Yes, sir.
judge, we don't know for what reason this has happened. And we can't make allegation like that. Yes.
Item 2. May I present? Well, this is a compromise matter. Both the party are present before your lordship, my lord.
Offense?
307. Informant, victim, and petitioner. Both.
Injury. Show me the injury.
No head injury.
Simple or grievous?
Not asset.
Not access to time.
In this case, my lord, the accused persons are general appeal, the lordship will kind. I will hold the injury. In this case also, the injury is not showing metal man.
Difficult.
But the lordship will kindly see.
What is the name of this? Kanu Ashok.
Kanu Charana Gold.
The others are there.
What about Ashok Gold?
No, one.
It's something.
Chajan.
What it's sort of something.
So, barely, sorry, madam. Well,
Maybe. You are involved, how many cases, just see? All 307. And you start compromising. 307 in any case can't be quashed on the ground of settlement. It all depends upon the type of injuries. As if it's simple injury, 307 is invoked. Generally, we do it because it's 323
this injury is
intrusion. How do you know? Simple. Then let it be ascertained in the trial. And you have antecedent all 307 cases. All 307 cases. I will not do review of that. Simply urgent. Simply urgent. Argue on merit if you on the ground of settlement, I will not do. petitioner petitioners are accused in so and so, so and so. They give that particular accusation so and so, allegation is so and so. On the ground that the petitioners have entered into a settlement with the informant as well as the victim, the present citizens have filed for quashing the they say. Mr. Jana, I think appearing for the state has submitted that the petitioner, one of the petitioners, all the petitioners are one of the petitioners. Petitioner,
One and two in
criminal antecedent and the detail of antecedents he has submitted then I will show you the in view of the settled position of law of I am not inclined to entertain this petition and quash the FIR and consequential proceeding in view of the gravity of the breakdown of the litigation and the antecedent of the petitions. Yes. Dismiss. Yes. Next. Next.
The confiscation has been confiscation order has been passed by the authority under annexure, my lord. 4 at page 40. There is a provision for appeal as per 71(3), I think, to the excise commissioner. I'll file the appeal because 30 days have already been expired.
Petitioner is aggrieved by the order dated 17/10/2024 passed by the authorized officer superintendent of excise Koraput into small a CC number 107 of 2024 whereby the vehicle bearing number so and so whereby so and so has been confiscated.
To the excise commissioner, my
has been confiscated. Against the said order, the appeal provision under section 71
6
71 clause 6 is provided. Hence, provide appeal before excise commission. Appeal before commission is provided. Hence, in view of the alternate remedy, the petitioner seeks to withdraw the petition to avail the same. Dispose of with liberty as spread. Yes.
Only I pray, my lord, within 15 days I will file the appeal, but the vehicle may not be put to auction for a period of 15 days.
I can't. A petition which is not maintainable, how can I pass an order?
No, only for a
I
period.
can't pass because this petition is not maintainable.
Or in alternative, I will file along with miscases that may be considered in
for the petitioner further submits that the vehicle is likely to be put to auction. Hence, he will be moving an application for staying the auction process before the appellate authority. If such application is moved, then we can. Yes.
Obliged.
Item 5.
Miller, say I am appearing for OP number 2 Miller. I have filed document today. Let a copy be handed over to me by Miller.
Also entered appearance for opposite party number 2 and
He accept no signatories.
For the petitioner to supply a copy of the petition to him. Release the matter. Yes.
LCR be called for.
What is this matter?
Quashing.
Quashing, why should I follow?
A civil proceeding is there.
Will see.
No,
Yes.
your lordship may otherwise say that I will file a petition seeking
No, so
adjournment.
you wanted nowadays this trick will not work.
It is your lordship.
Call for LCR, the matter will stay.
No,
Now LCR call means they will send this scan copy and the proceeding will
Yes,
go on.
that
was the old trick of getting an indirect stay.
So
Call for LCR so the things will not move.
So that trick will not work.
That trick will not work now. Even if I call for a LCR,
Yes.
what the trial court does is they scan the copy and send it.
That is what I am
Proceeding
submitting.
will go on.
That is what I am submitting. That trick will not work. So there is no harm in calling for LCR.
No, it's all right. Why I think you have filed everything.
Then your lordship may also direct that if I file a petition, stay will be granted, further adjournment will be granted.
Since you are seeking adjournment. So therefore,
Just I have appeared.
therefore, let him seek an adjournment there in
My lord.
court.
My lord.
Till next date appeal. Right. The petitioner is at liberty, petitioner is at liberty. It is open to the petitioner to move application before the trial court, seeking an adjournment, or it will be filed. Yes. Yes.
Item 6.
Your lordship fixed a date for.
Yes, yes, they will be fixed. Yes.
138 NI, my lord. The case of the complainant, my lord.
Yes.
During 15/12/2020 to 21, he has paid 92,20,000 towards the business transaction. Both are proprietary. And since last 20 years, business transaction is
What
going
is
on.
check amount?
Check amount, my lord, only one check is 3,40,000, another check for 4 lakhs. He said that 92 lakh I have paid. I have supplied the TMT rod for the amount 55 lakhs 10,000. Rest 37 lakh I have not supplied the rod. But in the meanwhile, everything has been supplied during the pandemic period. That is there. So this is a business transaction. A petition was filed before the learned court below that since this case is not maintainable, and moreover, the petitioner also wants to compromise the matter. That has been rejected.
Compromise then.
Only for your lordship kindly check. They say that 35 lakhs is outstanding.
Deposit 20%. I am issuing notice. It not be disbursed. Okay.
Out of that 4 lakh and check amount only.
Deposit 20%.
20% check amount. my
Check
lord.
amount. Subject to petitioner depositing 20% of the check amount, issue notice to opposite party so and so, and the amounts so deposited shall not be disbursed to the opposite party without leave of the court. Okay, these matters. Yes.
Item 7.
Deposit before the trial court. Yes.
Pass.
Shall I send it to mediation then? Since you are depositing 20%,
Yes,
you
it
want to
can-
settle.
It can
I'll send it to mediation. Where should I send? District mediation. Center.
District Medicine Center, my lord.
Which place?
May I pray let him appear, my lord, because
No, straight away appear and I will
My-
ask for the.
that is my lord.
You want to pay. As it is 20% you are paying. The rest of the money you pay and finish up.
That is Baleswar, my lord, District Baleswar.
District Baleswar Mediation Center. And awaiting mediation report, leave the matter. Yes.
Item 7.
Yes.
Pass over.
Pass over. I don't know. Yes.
Item 9. Due to dispute between the villagers and alcohol authorities, there was an agitation. Though petitioner was not very much not there, but he has been implicated. Earlier, he was moved this on court. My lordship granted liberty, page 27. Earlier, he has moved to lordship.
27?
Earlier, my lordship passed this order.
Yeah.
London Council for the petitioner seeks to withdraw the present petition to avail the ordinary remedy under the law at the appropriate state. Meanwhile, he cooperated with the investigation and submit
Yes.
the document.
Charge sheet has been filed.
No, that is what I am told. Lord, let them take instruction.
Yes, Mr. General, charge sheet has been
21.
Mr. Janna issue notice to opposite state. Mr. Janna will notice and let Mr. Janna see the instruction regarding the status of the investigation. Get the status of investigation. Yes.
Great.
Yes.
Item 10.
May I please? Lord, here the petition was filed and it has been rejected, not taking into account the law decided by the Honorable Apex Court in the case of Priyanka Srivastav.
Case of?
Case of Priyanka Srivastav. Lordship, may
So many complaints.
kindly peruse. It is apparent on the face of the record, my lord, itself. Lordship, may kindly peruse.
Page 11. Page 11.
Yes, page 11. Lordship, may kindly see, my lord. Where is the affidavit, my lord?
This is the way. This is the format of affidavit.
No.
Verification.
He has not sweared the affidavit. Only he has signed it. It has not been sweared before the competent body. Neither the notary nor the my lord oath commissioner. that place is blank. This is certified copy, Lordship, may kindly have a glance.
And you have filed this.
Yes. Lordship, may kindly have a glance. It is clear from the physical record also. Lordship, may kindly have a glance. Neither the complaint petition nor the evidence affidavit also the same thing.
Affidavit is there.
This is affidavit. He has only signed it.
But that word is missing, therefore you are saying.
No. What is affidavit, my lord? Affidavit means what? It has to be done by either by a notary or by the executive magistrate, or that place is blank, my lord. Below.
Which it is not attested.
Yes. His sign has not been identified by neither by the notary nor by the oath commissioner.
No. I'll tell you. It was filed. What is the difference between oath commissioner and notary? You just tell me. Where oath commissioner is to sign? If it is produced before the magistrate, it is not required to be attested by oath commissioner.
My lord?
It is not required to be.
Affidavit has to be shown either before the notary or before the oath commissioner.
Or if it is before magistrate, straight away.
My lord?
Straight away he has filed the complaint before magistrate.
So affidavit,
and it may not be attested by.
so affidavit has to be there. We are filing.
Affidavit is already there. Just see page 11.
My lord, that is I am showing to my lordship.
Priyanka Srivastava only says the idea of Priyanka Srivastava is if a complaint is filed, the personal knowledge is imputed. Therefore, along with the complaint, you have to file an affidavit. Affidavit is filed here.
Yes, my lord, we are filing affidavit, my lord, in this. Before my lordship, we are also filing affidavit. Lordship, may kindly see our affidavit.
Where is that?
The person is signing.
He signed it. He is Ajay Kumar.
Just, I am taking my lordship to.
I think I have to follow you. What you are trying.
Yes. Page 8 of my petition, lordship, may kindly see.
Just see. Read over found to be true and stamped properly, paid and so on so signed. The notary public, whoever it is, signed.
My lord, this is the certified copy given by the head clerk.
Show me.
ये बांपड़ साइड में देखो आज्ञा बांपड़ साइड में डिपोनेट पार्ट का पूरा ब्लैंक अच्छे कहाँ पाखरे करनी ना नोटारी ना कमिश्नर बोथ देखो बांपड़टा देखो एटा आज्ञा सर्टिफाइड कॉपी जो मिलला तारो एविडेंस और एफिडेविट भी सेम ब्लैंक.
I'll issue notice, but this will not help you.
Again, affidavit has to be a voidable affidavit.
See,
it has to be a voidable affidavit.
If it would have been signed by the oath commissioner.
Again, धरतु आज्ञा बर्तमान हाईकोर्ट जो affidavit आम फाइल करूँ बर्तमान पिटिशन संगे धरतु खाली लोक साइन कला मु ताको आइडेंटिफाई कर
I'll tell you what
affidavit notary पाखे
no you get the oath commissioner act. I'll show you.
Okay.
Oath commissioner act.
Sign to करना दे
you get that. It's not required. Get that. If it is placed before magistrate, it's not required. Show me. Get the act.
तमन आज्ञा आपनो पाखरे पिटिशन देले भी
High Court it is required. High Court it is required, but the party is not coming before me. So therefore, oath commissioner is authorized. He has to do it. And it is a representative of the High Court.
My complaint
before High Court, you have to attest because the party is not coming before me. But a party is going with an affidavit, with a this kind of a complaint before a magistrate. Oath commissioner is not required. So they get the act.
Also, my lord,
show me the act.
My lord, the sign of the complainant is also.
Let us see the oath commissioner.
The sign also is not identified by the concerned advocate also.
Let us first cross over the objection which you have taken. Can you please just see the oath commissioner act? Oath commissioner.
Sabu jagar again blank.
You just read it. I'll put it on Tuesday.
Hello?
Oath commissioner act. Just check it up and tell me. Check it up. I'll Tuesday. Huh? Just check it. Oath commissioner act. The idea of oath commissioner is, if you are producing before magistrate some document, oath commissioner attestation is not required because the affidavit is straight away placed before the magistrate. The party is there in front of the 1 minute. Party is there in front of the magistrate. So therefore, attestation is not required. Where the party is not appearing before the court, but the document is filed, affidavit is filed, then the oath commissioner has to attest and file. This is the provision. So therefore, this is a case where he has filed a complaint before the magistrate. So attestation was not required. Straight away he files. He goes and appears before the magistrate and files a complaint petition along with an affidavit. That affidavit may not be attested. Just check it up.
That is not the thing.
Check it up. I may be wrong also.
That is not, because affidavit means person has to sign, his signature has to be identified by the advocate, and thereafter that affidavit has to be placed either before the notary or before the oath.
So the complainant goes to the court along with the counsel.
Yes.
Present a complaint.
Yes. The complaint petition
and along with Vakalatnama, then attestation is not.
My lord?
Attestation is not required.
There is nothing.
Not required, I am saying. That's
my lord, his sign was also.
Then you can't take the plea of peer.
My lord, his sign, the sign of the complainant was not even attested by the concerned advocate. Here in this case, not also identified.
Just see the next page. Affidavit, Vakalatnama is filed by the counsel.
Vakalatnama is different thing, my lord.
So therefore, please.
But affidavit is different.
Please, can you please read? I'm putting it as a first item. Maybe I may be wrong also. Just check it up. Just check it up. Okay. Tuesday.
Initial,
I got it. But just see the oath commissioner said.
The definition of affidavit. I will show to my lordship. What is the definition of an affidavit?
Get it. Get it. Yes. Tuesday.
Tuesday or Wednesday, any day.
Tuesday.
Yes.
And get some judgments also. Yes. There are some judgments. Yes.
Judgment will not be required. GRSO civil, GRSO criminal is very clear about affidavit.
Okay, get that GRSO also.
Yes.
Let us see. Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? Here the petitioner is an accused in a murder trial. Out of
item 10, sir.
Yes. Rejection under 311 of CRPC is facing a murder trial, and out of 15 witnesses, almost out of 25, 13 already examined.
Then what do you want?
Pardon me, I filed an application under Annex 1 to recall only 2-3 witnesses with questionnaire, my lord. I put the questionnaire
PW
1, 2, 3, and 10.
Who is 1?
1 is the informant, 2 claiming to be the eyewitness, 2 and 3, and PW 10, who is not the eyewitness but projected himself.
Where are their testimony?
Testimony, my lord, I am having only PW 10 testimony.
That is necessary, madam. Those are necessary.
You have to place those things. Because whether these questionnaires we already put.
I filed it in memo, we will also call this Monday.
Yes.
Please, Your Lord.
Yes.
This is a dispute between husband and wife. The matter was placed before the High Court Mediation Center in the anticipatory bail application. Let's be yesterday, matter has been settled.
Settled. I'll issue notice, huh? Issue notice.
Instead of a notice, next week, let's be ended, both will appear.
But formal notice, I mean, next week I'll keep it.
So that order maybe, let's say.
You keep it, you give him that day. Issue notice to opposite party. Written will also. Then counsel for the petition submits that the parties have entered into a settlement during the proceeding before the High Court in an anticipatory bail. During which they say also during the hearing before this court in ABP number 181 of 2025 181 of 2025 matter was referred to mediation center, High Court Mediation Center. In the mediation came out to be successful. On the basis of the same, the petitioner seeks passing up to the entire criminal proceeding. Please the matter on.
One thing is that address of the opposite party has been changed in the meantime.
You take the copy and give it.
I file a press mail or posted email.
Yes. Next.
That order may not be observed, otherwise no notice may not be gone.
Press posted. Opposite party number 2 may be corrected in the meantime. Yes. Next.
13.
Yes.
I am the chief security officer of a steel plant.
Can you see annexure 2, page 22, just a few pages.
Annexure?
2, page 22, 1911-24.
Yes.
My lord, I file a complaint before the police. The company is NINL. My lords have it, my lords. Page 22, annexure 2.
NINL.
NINL,
Yes.
Nilachal Ispat Nigam.
Yes.
So, my lord, I file an FIR and the subject is memorandum dated so and so, received from so and so. And so
P.K. Nanda.
yes, this is demanding permanent employment. And what they said, my lords, if your lordship sees after Roman 1, 2, 3.
No, you Prasanna Chaudhary.
Yes.
You have not given.
My lord, this is the company has given.
The company.
The company has given.
Okay.
And if your lordship sees, my lords, pursuant to this, what happens at page 23, on 22/11/2024, apprehending law and order situation, a 144 order is passed.
Yes.
Your lordships have it, my lords. Now kindly see the next page, my lords. Again, another representation is made saying that we will hold a dharana on 23rd, this is 23/1/2025 by displaced persons.
Yes.
If my lords now sees, all these people have signed, and my lords, I gave a written information to the police at page 27, saying that I want police arrangement. Your lordships have it, my lords. Annexure 5, page 27.
Pursuant to this representation
Yes,
by
yes.
the displaced
Yes,
people.
yes.
Yes.
Now, over the page 28, annexure 6, my lord, again 144 is promulgated. And your lordship may see, my lord, the date is 27th January 2025. At the top, your lordships have it.
This is page 28.
28, extract of the order dated 27/1/25. My lords have it. Again. And if your lordship sees the last paragraph, my lord, this is for a period of 1 month.
Promulgated, prohibited
From 27th January 2025 at 6 p.m. to 27th February 2025.
Yes.
Lordship may see that last paragraph, IIC Kalinganagar is directed
January 27 to
February. Now what happens is, my lords, there is altercation on the 28th and annexure 1 is filed on 29th.
Yes.
And I had informed the IIC.
Second day from the promulgation.
Exactly.
Yes.
And my lord, what happens is, kindly see, my lords, this is by a lady, SC/ST Act, everything is invoked. And kindly see, my lord, what is the gist of the FIR at page 21. My lord, I will not read it, your lordship may read it.
20?
So 21.
Okay.
FIR contents, para 12.
Yes.
This is the impugned FIR, my lords. On a day, 144 was there. This is at 12 in the afternoon. And the allegations are, my lord, your lordship may read it. This is completely malicious prosecution. 4 FIRs have been filed by different people. Same day incidents. When 144 was there. And I have made this lady a party also. Opposite party number 2.
What is the stage now?
My lord, stage investigation is on.
There's 20 the written, 110.
And this was immediately informed to the IAC about this incident. At page 29, that so and so happened. My lord, this is a completely malicious prosecution. And your lordship may see, my lord, the allegations are such that it is impossible at 12 o'clock in the afternoon, at the time when 144 has been promulgated.
May I permit my letter?
In the afternoon, is it possible? And where there is a promulgation from 27 January to 27th February, and on 28th this is happening, and there is a past incidents also twice.
My lord, in Kalinganagar, it is happening since long. It has started in the year of 2002, my lord. It is fight in between corporate houses and poor people.
Oh, maybe the fight may be there. It's always between have and have nots, always.
This was a, my lord, they made this industry sick. I took it over 2 years back.
It has happened, my lord. Even if
What is the stage?
petition,
Yes, madam.
Investigation.
I'll see, madam.
I'm issuing notice. Let us see whether it is a malicious prosecution or not. Because see, the sequence is such. Twice 144 was there. and the complaints after complaint, and thereafter all of a sudden this comes in the afternoon.
One day after.
The allegations are
After 2 days, my lord, after 2 days.
allegations are not likely to happen in the daytime. When the, so therefore, just
While-
in we
My
just
lord,
get it.
while they were on peaceful
It can be
demonstration,
submitted. Now at this stage, on the face of it, offense is made out.
No, offense is made out. Offense is made out. The allegations are very serious. But what he is trying to say is it is a motivated and malicious.
At 144 was promulgated. The police should have been there. What they were there. What they
my
were
lord,
doing.
police has to take action, not by present petitioner is the conspirator of all the occurrence. He's the main kingpin of that.
Okay, you get in instruction. I'll just issue notice. I'll issue notice. Let us.
Yes, but he also has to appear.
So entered appearance for opposite party. Number 2, and issue notice to state so and so notice for the state. Status report to be filed regarding the stage of investigation.
But in the meantime, no coercive action in all the FIRs.
What are the course?
Lord, we are officers of the company. Somebody may arrest me tomorrow. Your Lordship may protect me.
But this is not the proceeding because you have to apply.
They may file the administrative development.
No, Your Lordship may say, Your Lordship,
You resort to the remedy till then I'll protect you.
Your Lordship may protect me till then. Your Lordship may protect me.
I'll protect you till you resort to the remedy.
Yes, Your Lordship may say that.
Let them resort to the remedy.
In this case, my now.
No, Your Lordship normally does that.
Even if today also, my lord, they are creating law on
Even to them to approach the authority.
No, they will have to approach.
Yes,
They
Your
have
Lordship may
to-
say that. Your Lordship may protect me till then.
Mr. Parijal and counsel for the petitioner says that they have the petitioners would be availing the remedy under law of seeking concession of pre-arrest bail. Till then, they may be protected.
Grateful.
They may be protected.
All four say.
So I am protecting you for a week. You do what?
Well, 2 weeks, because Your Lordship knows if I file one today, it will take a week time. It takes a week time to get listed.
What is the date today? Today is 7th, right? Today is 7th. Till 15th.
Little more than that. We will list type.
Okay, 20th, till 20th.
20th.
Till 20th.
Lordship, please.
Till 20th, protect. You go and
Yes.
get it. Yes. And go to the if really it is happened, allegations are very, very serious. Really, if it is happened.
Even my lord, today also entire labor class people are on fear cycle.
I am not expressing an opinion. If it is really happened, it is very, very serious. If it is malicious, even then it is very serious. So it is only the police who has to.
My lord, it is happening since 2002, my lord.
Your Lordship may call for
That
the
is
report on the
66
next date.
I have
Status report.
called for.
Grateful.
Because I can't interfere in the investigation. Investigation has to go on, independent of anything.
No, Your Lordship may only know what is the stage of investigation.
Let us see.
My Lord, all four are similar.
Yes.
Say.
But why this is happening to the poor people?
I'll tell you, Lordships. My Lord, there was a company called NIL with the public sector. And that company became sick because of this. We have just stepped into that company. We have revived the company. Now, every day they want employment. It's not possible. My Lord, anyway, that's another matter we will see.
But the fact remains that there are poor people. You can't subject them to.
No, but there is no.
Again, have and have nots between.
But that Your Lordship will see. Let the status report come.
Yes.
40.
Yes. 50. Belgium, দেখুন তো।
14 years.
No, দেখুন তো বেল কিছু ଅଛି বেল
Yes, sir. Released on bail 17/3/19. And issued on 11/24.
24. Okay, 500. Yes.
15. May I preserve also? This is the Belgium petrol.
Yes, tell me.
10/12/2024. Hence issue NBW bail.
I know.
Bail on that
3/7/20.
3720. 3720. 10/12/24. 500. Yes.
Okay. 16.
Belgium matter, my lord, NBW order dated 29/10/2024, my lord. Petitioner release on bail 7/4/2023.
Okay. 500.
13.
500 each,
500, my lord.
500 each. There are two people.
My lord, Belgium matter.
Yes, madam.
12/5/2000 release on bail, 7/6/2002 NBW.
23 years.
23 years only. Only 23. Give 2000. 2000.
My lord, conditions still
My lord,
sufficient.
my lord,
Then-
wrong.
No, I'm not granting
Completely,
bail.
yes.
I'm not granting bail.
Okay.
I'm only saying that client has to appear and resort to the remedy. It is, I'm indirectly trying to execute
Not
the.
take adjournment. Will not further.
No further extension shall be granted. It will be done. No further extension for
Will
surrendering
regular.
shall be
Is
granted
there
in any on any ground. On any ground. You have to appear, huh? Yes.
In us.
2000. 2000? Yes.
18.
Rishi, if I don't pass the order.
Yes, yes. It will be.
And your police has to keep on searching them to execute it. I am executing your order basically. Yes.
Right from 18.
Yes.
Appearing for the petitioner, Union of India. We have not received the file from the previous council.
Sorry?
We have not received the file from the previous conducting council in this.
Lord, here the case of
Your Union of India, what?
It's a case of restoration, my lord. I am the claimant. I am suffering since 2010. Award is of 2014. Case was dismissed on 2019. Till date, my lord, on my India work it was listed.
Delay, how much delay?
74 days. As per the petition, my lord.
Shall I restore it?
Yes, my lord.
Huh?
By imposing some cost, your lordship may restore it, the claimant is day by day harassing. Yeah.
I'll restore it by condoning. Otherwise, see, it will be delayed further.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll restore it with a
Cost. Yes.
some token cost. Huh?
Yes.
The condonation of the for the reasons stated in the application, the application condonation for delay for 75 days.
76 days.
76 days is
as per their petition, my lord.
Delay of 76 days is condoned, subject to the petitioner paying a cost of 5,000 rupees to the opposite party, and CRLMP, CMP allowed restored to its original.
Restored to the
position.
file.
MACA restored to its
MACA is of 2014, my lord.
MACA number 1014. No, 1017 of 2014 is restored to its original file. Yes. Pay 5,000. Yes.
As given the statement. Appearance.
What?
Appearance.
Okay. Okay. Yes.
Let it be listed expeditiously. See, year-old matter.
Since the MACA, since MACA is of 2014, it is expected that the matters will be disposed of as expeditiously possible. Yes.
19 has been taken up on 13th, my lord. It can be disposed of on that.
13.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
13.
13.
Delay for 60 days, that may be condoned and date may be fixed.
13. Oh, that day only and do.
Ah, yes, yes.
20.
You will also against the rejection of system for 57 petition for release of the desire carry over. Last one was.
My lord, on behalf of the senior counsel, Mr. Sahu, I pray for password.
What password? Today no password.
Correct. 20.
Original code down.
Instruction has to be started the confused person with the
Instruction. Then the council for the state to obtain instruction regarding the stage of confiscation. Yes.
22.
The 21. 21 was adjourned, my lord. I was only.
I know you withdraw your memo.
I
withdrawal memo. It will be heard.
It will be heard. My lord, just one prayer. Actually, the informant is the SI, so the instruction will be sought. Any sort of compromise will be sought by the state directly. And just one thing is then the 5th paragraph, the liberty for because I am in the discharge stage, my lord. Liberty for granting of time in the lower court. That may be reflected. Order dated 11/11/2024.
Yes.
The 5th paragraph. For seeking adjournment in the lower court because the proceeding is continuing because of absence of any stay.
Oh, you are seeking discharge.
Discharge is rejected.
Rejected. We'll see. I'll hear it. Short date log it. Take.
Obligation.
22.
My lord, this is a prayer for extension of time to surrender.
Extension of time?
To surrender.
To surrender.
My lord.
Extension code yaar.
In respect of petitioner number 2 only, my lord.
In respect of petitioner number 2, an application of for extension of time to surrender before the court below pursuant to the order dated 4/11/2020 is sought. For the reasons stated in the application, the same is allowed. The time to surrender appear before the court is extended up till 10th of March. It is made clear that no further extensions are be granted. Yes.
Placement.
33.
Time to deposit it from
Extension of time. Pursuant to the order dated 10/1/2025, the petitioner has failed to deposit 10%. What is the time given? Failed to deposit 10% of the interim compensation. 10% of the compensation amount directed by this court by the order dated 1/10/2025 to be deposited within a period of 2 weeks. Hence, the petitioner is seeking an extension of time. Regard being had to the environment made in the application, the time is extended up till for another 2 weeks. Another 2 weeks, it is made clear that no further extensions shall be granted in this matter on any ground whatsoever. Allowed, yes. देखिए तो अगर 5 मिनट
26.
Hearing matter, none there is. Yes.
20? 25 minutes.
I don't know. Mentioned urgent. Yes. 26.
At 25 input, I am the petitioner.
You are for?
I'm sorry, madam. I have not checked the things.
Which item you are talking?
The first item of the passment of imbue. I'm sorry.
25 टा मो होची petitioner की.
You would adjournment मांगला. Mediation failed, ना?
Mediation.
Then I'll hear it. Yes.
First week.
26.
56. The interim order they have to.
Interim order to continue.
26.
27.
7.
Yes, sir.
My lord, the Honorable Court has directed me to file a copy of the charge sheet which I had done.
This is hearing matter?
Yes. The charge sheet had come after 1033 days.
9 matters. If anybody is seeking adjournment, give it. Otherwise, I'll seek for another possible. Okay. Would you like to argue today?
My lord, I had filed a petition for stay of hearing in proceedings in the lower court.
Then need to be heard.
Because we have filed the CRLMC for quashment of the case.
Argue kariye? Argue kariye to? Kohi bhi argument nahi kariye na? Kohi bhi kono argue kariye to lunch par kariye? If anybody wants adjournment in any matter, you take it. Take it. No problem. Rest of the matter.